equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your device and prevent any static damage. First, power off your HP All-in-One and unplug it from the wall. This is crucial for your safety. Next, place the device face down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the unit. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back cover off, you will see the internal components. Locate the screen connector, which is usually secured with a few screws. Carefully unscrew these and disconnect the screen cable. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Next, remove the screws that hold the screen in place. There may be several screws around the edges, so ensure you check all sides. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the screen out of the frame. Be cautious, as the screen may still be connected to the motherboard. Now, it's time to clean the internal area. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This is important for maintaining the longevity of your device. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which makes it easy to get your device serviced without any hassle. Once the area is clean, take your new screen and align it with the frame. Carefully connect the screen cable back to the motherboard, ensuring it's secure. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. After connecting the screen, replace the screws to secure it in place. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any future issues. Now, reattach the back cover by aligning it correctly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back cover. Before you power on your device, take a moment to double-check that all connections are secure and that no tools are left inside the unit. Once you're satisfied, plug your HP All-in-One back in and power it on. If everything has been done correctly, your new screen should be functioning perfectly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. Congratulations on successfully replacing your HP All-in-One screen. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.